Alright guys, coming at you today with a tour of the all new Crescendo Audio Symphony series amplifiers. I have all three of them fully stocked and I'm going to do a nice walkthrough tour of each one. So you can see we have a S1, an S2, and an S4. So we're going to start off with the S1, which is the 1500 watt monoblock. This one is $299, free shipping inside the United States, inside the continental US. This applies to orders over $100 as well. Anyway, to give you some specs on the Symphony S1, come on, focus in there. We have nice Tiffany style connectors here, gain, high pass filter, low pass filter, bass boost. Don't get carried away on the bass boost, guys. You know that can be bad for your health or your subwoofer's health anyway. So right here we have on the top, they have a really nice matte black finish, and the Crescendo, it's like a tag that's held on here with some Allen screws. It's really nice, got some class to it. And on this side, we have 4-gauge power and grounds and 8-gauge speaker terminals. Also has a fan in here. And if you guys haven't noticed, look at the small footprint on this amplifier. I'm gonna give you the dimensions of it as well. It's 7 inches, 7 inches wide, 7 inches thick, or however, 7 by 7.6, sorry. If you want to do 7 inches wide, 7.6 inches tall, if you want to do that to tall, and then the thick is 2.5. This amp does 1500 watts at 1 ohm, 1000 watts at 2 ohm, and 550 watts at 4 ohm. Priced at $299, free shipping inside the United States. It also comes with your bass knob with a clipping indicator, so very nice. So that's going to be the Symphony 1500, now fully stocked, S1. Gonna move over here to the S2, which is the 600 watt full range 2-channel amplifier. Same footprint. It is 7 inches wide, 7.5 inches tall, and 2.5 inches thick. It also has 4-gauge power and ground, 8-gauge speaker terminals, and clip light, protect light, power light. Just like the other amplifier, we have the nice Tiffany style connectors for the RCAs, gain, high pass, low pass, ×10 switches, all that good stuff. So the power rating on the S2 are 300 watts by 2, and then we have, that's 300 watts by 2 at 2 ohm. Then we have 190 watts by 2 at 4 ohm, and 600 watts 4 ohm bridged for $229. Again, this is free shipping inside the United States and the continental US. Then the Symphony 800 right here. This is going to be the S4, 800 watt full channel, class D, 4-channel. Ow, just blew out my kneecap. Anyway, the specs on the S4 is 220 watts by 4 at 2 ohm, 140 watts by 4 at 4 ohm, and 440 watts by 2 at 4 ohm bridged. The measurements on this is 8.5 side to side, 7.6 tall, and then 2.5 inches thick. This one is $299. Very small footprint, as you can see on the dimensions that I was just giving you. Very nice. Channels 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we have clip lights for channel 1, 2, clip light for channel 3 and 4, 4-gauge power and ground, and then we have 8-gauge speaker terminals here. Very nice looking amplifiers and very good price points. Very small footprint for you guys to be able to fit them almost anywhere. I can see these being very popular on motorcycles, no doubt. So yeah, if you need any of these, be sure to hit up downforsoundshop.com, your #1 source for Crescendo audio and much more. I have a low price guarantee. If you find anything that I offer for cheaper from an authorized dealer, I will beat that price for you. So that way you always know that you're getting the lowest prices right here at downforsoundshop.com. And a couple of these amps come with the standard freebies t-shirt, lanyard, sticker, voltmeter, all that good stuff too. So hit me up. Let me know what you guys think about these new amplifiers in the comments below. I'm interested to know. These are very beautiful looking amps. I'll drop the links to them on my store in the description so you can check them out in full detail there. All right guys, see you in the next video. Do me a favor and share this on your social media. I would greatly appreciate it.
Coming down your block, knocking pictures off the walls. On Front Street, Ryan bagging bitches out the mall. On the